I remember being in Bulerias classes and listening out for the cues in the music so I could come in with my remate at just the right time. It was mission impossible. Hello, I'm Belinda Retamal, the flamenco coach, and welcome to my channel. I'm here to help you learn how to dance flamenco. I believe that anyone can learn how to dance flamenco at any age, at any stage, even if you've never danced it before. Bulerías classes. I was just never sure when the right time was to come in with my remate. To start with, I didn't even know what I was meant to be listening out for. I mean, I know I was meant to be listening out for a drop in tone of the singing, but to be honest, the singing just all sounded the same to me, and I didn't even really know what a drop in tone was meant to sound like. So yes, not a good place to be, and no wonder I had so much trouble. But then I learned how a typical Bulerias letra works, as in how many sung lines there are, how they can be repeated, but best of all is that the caída can fall in just one place in the letra every time. I used to think it could happen anywhere and that it was random, but it's not. And once I learned these simple basics, listening out for the caída just became so much easier. And now I can listen to any Bulerias letra and hear the caída every time. I can tell you, it's a big relief. And because of that, I decided to create a masterclass on just this topic, and it's called Catching the Caída. Because I've figured out what we're supposed to be listening out for and when, and so I can teach you how to do the same. I believe any dancer can master the skill of listening to the cante and hearing the cues in the music. You just need it explained to you in a way that shows you exactly how simple it is. I don't want you thinking it's so complicated, you'll never get it, or you don't speak Spanish, so how can you ever get it? Or that the only people that can really get it are people who are native to Spain and have grown up around flamenco, or special people who have dedicated their lives to studying flamenco. None of that is true. Anyone can learn this skill. Inside this masterclass, I show you exactly when to listen out for the caída and what to be listening out for. Catching the caída is designed to put you on the fast track to never missing the cues in the music again. I'll be giving you the clues to hear the cues. If you need this in your life to make flamenco easy, I'll put a link in the description box so you can find out more. But right now, let's have a look at an example. So I'm going to pop on a Bulerias letra and do a little bit of marking, and when I hear the caída coming up, I'm going to pop in a remate, so watch me for that and be listening out for those cues in the music at the same time. How did you go? Did you pick out the cues in the music? Could you hear the caída coming up? And did you have a practice with me as well? Can you also do a similar marking and remate when you hear those cues in the music? If not, rewind and rewatch it again, and the more you do this kind of thing, the more easily you'll be able to pick out the cues in the music, and you'll naturally end up hearing them automatically. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please hit that like button and also subscribe if you haven't already, because I'll be bringing out more flamenco videos for you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!